Hello, my little explorers! It's Teacher Lucy here. Today we're going to discover 4 amazing worlds together. First, we'll visit the cool, green forest filled with adorable animals. Next, we'll walk across the golden savanna, where strong and brave creatures roam freely. Then, we'll travel back in time to meet giant dinosaurs from the prehistoric world. And finally, we'll explore a gentle, sparkling river where the water shimmers and the fish swim happily. Are you ready, my little friends? All right then, let's begin our adventure with Teacher Lucy. Now, let's begin. I place a gray mountain on the left to make a secret cave for the animals. Next, I spread soft green sand and gently press it flat to create our smooth, leafy forest floor. On the opposite side, I add another patch of green sand, but I leave an empty space in the middle, because that will be our river later on. Then, I sprinkle bright rainbow pebbles along the edges to make the forest colorful and full of life. Now, let's move to the right side. Here, I spread yellow sand to make a dry grassland. Right beside it, I add orange sand to create a tiny desert and use more rainbow stones to divide the 2 areas. And now for the most exciting part. In the space we left earlier, I pour in a shiny layer of blue slime. It wiggles just like a real river flowing through our world. Beside the forest riverbank, I add tall trees and leafy plants to make the forest look lush and green. I place a brown rocky cave, a tall savanna tree, and a few little bushes around the grassland. Finally, I put down big black lava rocks, little stones, and cactus plants to make the desert look wild and mysterious. And all done. Our magical diorama is complete. Are you ready to meet all the amazing animals? Let's begin. Caterpillar. Caterpillars are the baby stage of butterflies and moths. They have soft, long bodies made of many tiny segments. Caterpillars love eating leaves all day to grow big and strong. Their colors and patterns help them hide or warn predators. When they're ready, they make a cozy cocoon and turn into a beautiful butterfly. Flying squirrel. Flying squirrels have a special stretchy skin between their legs. This helps them glide, not fly, from tree to tree. They live high on trees and are active at night. They are very quick and can change direction while gliding. They eat fruits, seeds, flower buds, and insects. Their big, shiny eyes help them see in the dark. Gala cockatoo. Galas have beautiful pink and gray feathers. They love staying in flocks and making loud sounds. Their feather crest stands up when they're excited or curious. Galas are very smart and can learn to copy human speech. They eat seeds, fruits, and young plant shoots. They're friendly and are often kept as pets. Macaw. Macaws have long, colorful tails that look stunning. They're very intelligent and can mimic voices. They live in flocks and fly fast with loud calls. Their food includes fruit, nuts, and seeds. Their strong beaks can crack even the hardest nuts. Macaws stay loyal to one partner for life. Elephant. Elephants are the largest animals on land. Their long trunks help them eat, drink, and communicate. They live in family groups led by an older female. Elephants eat lots of leaves, grass, and fruit every day. They have amazing memories. Even though they are huge, they are gentle and protective. Pandas have adorable black and white fur. Their favorite food is bamboo. They live alone in mountain forests. Pandas use their front paws to hold food like little hands. They are gentle animals and love taking long naps. Baby pandas are tiny and need lots of care from their moms. Crocodile. Crocodiles are strong reptiles that live in rivers and swamps. Their jaws are super powerful with many sharp teeth. They are excellent swimmers and can stay very still. They eat fish, birds, and even large animals. Their hard-scale armor keeps them safe. Crocodiles can strike very quickly. Red-eyed tree frog. These frogs have bright red eyes that really stand out. They live on trees in tropical rainforests. Their green bodies help them hide among leaves. When scared, they open their big red eyes to surprise predators. Their sticky feet let them cling to leaves and branches. They eat tiny insects like flies and mosquitoes. Golden frog. Golden frogs have bright yellow skin to warn predators. Some of them are poisonous for protection. They live in humid rainforests near streams. Their thin skin needs a moist environment. They eat insects and sometimes spiders. Their loud calls can travel far, although they're small. Snake? Snakes have no legs but move very quickly. They can slither, climb trees, and some can swim. They use their tongues to smell the air. Some snakes are harmless, others have venom. They eat mice, birds, eggs, and larger animals. Snakes shed their skin to grow. Toucan. Toucans have long, colorful beaks. Their beaks look heavy, but are actually very light. They live in rainforest trees. Toucans eat fruit, insects, and small eggs. Their calls sound like funny croaking noises. They enjoy living in small, friendly groups. Horses run fast and have great endurance. They live in herds and are very social. Their food includes grass and grains. Their ears are very sensitive and can turn in many directions. Horses communicate through neighs and body movements. They are loyal companions to humans. Monkey. Monkeys are clever and playful. They climb trees using strong arms and long tails. They live in groups with clear hierarchy. Monkeys eat fruits, leaves, seeds, and insects. Baby monkeys are cared for closely by their mothers. They use many sounds to talk to each other. Meerkat. Meerkats live together in large desert families. They stand on two legs to watch for danger. They dig deep burrows to stay cool. Meerkats eat insects, scorpions, and plant roots. One meerkat always stands guard to protect the group. They are fast, social, and very loyal. Squirrel. Squirrels have fluffy tails that help with balance. They are quick and love jumping between trees. They eat nuts, seeds, fruits, and insects. They often bury nuts for later, but sometimes forget. Their front teeth grow constantly, so they chew to keep them short. Squirrels are curious and energetic. Sparrow. Sparrows are tiny but very lively. They live near people and nest on rooftops. Their chirp-chirp songs are familiar and sweet. Sparrows eat seeds and small insects. They fly in small flocks and are very alert. They may be small, but they're tough little birds. Owl. Owls hunt at night. Their big eyes help them see in the dark. They fly quietly without making a sound. Owls eat mice, insects, and small birds. Their heads can turn almost all the way around. Their hoo, hoo call echoes through the night. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals on land. Their long necks help them reach tall leaves. Their long legs let them run fast from danger. They live in small groups. Their sharp eyes and ears help them stay safe. Giraffes are gentle and always watching their surroundings. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. Their stripes help them blend into the herd. They live on Africa's wide grasslands. Zebras are always alert and run fast when scared. They eat grass and live in large herds. Their calls sound a bit like barking. Turtle. Turtles have hard shells to protect their bodies. They move slowly but steadily. Some live on land, some in rivers, and some in the sea. They eat plants, fruits, fish, or algae. Many turtles live over 100 years. They are symbols of patience and long life. Kangaroo. Kangaroos Kangaroos have strong back legs and long tails. They can jump very far. Mommy kangaroos carry babies in a pouch. They eat grass and live in small groups. Kangaroos can kick hard when threatened. They are most active in the afternoon and evening. Black panther. Black panthers are leopards or jaguars with special dark fur. Their black coats help them hide in the night. They are quiet, fast hunters. They climb well and often ambush from trees. They eat deer, antelope, and smaller animals. Their glowing eyes help them see in the dark. Tigers are the strongest big cats. They have orange fur with black stripes. They hunt with patience and power. Tigers live alone in their own territory. They eat deer, wild pigs, and many other animals. Tigers are excellent swimmers too. Lynx. Lynxes have cute black tufts on their ears. They live in cold forests and mountains. They hunt rabbits, birds, and small animals. Their eyes shine brightly in darkness. They move quietly like shadows. Lynxes prefer to live alone. Therizinosaurus? Therizinosaurus had the longest claws of any dinosaur. Even though they look scary, they mostly ate plants. Their tall bodies and long necks helped them reach high leaves. They moved slowly but had very strong arms. Their long claws helped them grab branches or defend themselves. Their strange shape makes them unique. T-Rex. T-Rex was one of the strongest predators ever. Its jaw was powerful with huge sharp teeth. Its tiny arms looked funny, but its legs were strong and fast. T-Rex hunted other dinosaurs for food. Its sense of smell was amazing. It is the most famous dinosaur of all time. Bearded dragon. Bearded dragons are gentle lizards from Australia. They have spiky beards that puff out when scared. They're friendly and often kept as pets. They eat insects, veggies, and fruit. They love basking in warm sunlight. Their skin can change shades when they feel threatened. Styracosaurus. Styracosaurus had long horns and a shield-like frill. They ate plants and lived together in herds. Their horns helped protect them from predators. They were large but gentle dinosaurs. They walked slowly but steadily. Their unique horns made them easy to recognize. Dinogorgon? Dinogorgon wasn't a true dinosaur, but an ancient reptile. It had strong jaws and sharp teeth for hunting. Its small body helped it run fast. It lived in hot, dry environments. It ate small, ancient animals. Its fierce look made it seem very scary. Triceratops. Triceratops had 3 big horns on its face. It ate plants and lived in herds for safety. Its big frill protected its neck from attacks. It was usually gentle but could defend itself strongly. Triceratops was large but steady on its feet. It is one of the most loved dinosaur species. And that's the end of our adventure, little explorers! Today, we visited the green forest, the sunny savanna, and even met some giant dinosaurs. You learned so many wonderful things. Teacher Lucy is so proud of you. See you again on our next adventure. Bye-bye!